So friend, Apple's iPhone 17 series is now official. All 4 phones will launch for pre-orders across the first wave of 63 countries, including the US, the UK, Germany, Australia, Canada, China, France, India, South Korea and others. This Friday, September 12, shipments will start from September 19 and another 22 countries will get the phones from September 26. And the iPhone 17 was a surprisingly great upgrade, finally matching the pros in display technology. ProRes 120Hz always on, less reflective, and it also matches the pros in another interesting development. It's now start from 256GB storage as does the Air. The 256GB base iPhone 17 is the same price in Germany, the UK, the US and the China. Despite the doubling of the storage, India and Japan pay a bit more. Like the 17, the iPhone 17 Pro levels up to a base 256GB storage. Unlike it, however, the iPhone 17 Pro is more expensive across the board and it's $100 or €100 more than the outgoing models, although it's the same when you equalize the storage. The iPhone 17 Pro Max was already at 256GB as standard, so there's no change there. It's also the same price in most major markets except India and Japan. The new iPhone Air replaces the iPhone 16 Plus, but it's more than a name change. Indeed, the new phone is more premium, promotion, a nicer build and a pro chipset. All of that comes with a $100 or €100 price hike, but you still get twice the storage for that price, which probably makes up for it. So here are the price in the screen. You can see the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, the iPhone 17, the Air. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.